Everyday commonly used phrasal verbs with example. Carry on means to continue. Example: the team carried on with the project. She told him to carry on with his work. Come across, to find by chance. Example: I came across an interesting book at the library. She came across some old photographs in the attic. Cut off, to disconnect or isolate. Example: the storm cut off the power supply. He was cut off from his friends after the argument. Figure out, to understand or solve. Example: I need to figure out how to fix this problem. She finally figured out the answer to the puzzle. Hang out, to spend time casually. Example: let's hang out at the park this weekend. They enjoy hanging out with their friends. Keep up, to maintain or continue at the same pace. Example: it's important to keep up with the latest news. She struggled to keep up with the class. Look after, to take care of. Example: can you look after my dog while I'm away? She looks after her younger siblings. Pick up, to collect or learn. Example: he picked up his dry cleaning on the way home. She quickly picked up the new dance steps. Put off, to postpone or delay. Example: they put off the meeting until next week. Don't put off doing your homework. Set up, to arrange or establish. Example: they set up a meeting with the client. He set up his own business. Take off, to remove or leave suddenly. Example: please take off your shoes at the door. The plane took off on time. Wake up, to stop sleeping or become aware. Example: I wake up early every morning. She finally woke up to the truth. Back up, to support or create a copy. Example: can you back me up in the meeting? Make sure to back up your important files. Check in, to register or arrive at a hotel or airport. Example: we need to check in at the hotel. They checked in for their flight online. Fill in, to provide information or complete a form. Example: can you fill in the missing details? She filled in the application form. Give back, to return something. Example: don't forget to give back the book. He gave the money back to his friend. Look for, to search or seek. Example: I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? They're looking for a new apartment. Work out, to exercise or solve. Example: I need to work out regularly to stay fit. They managed to work out their differences.